seeing all your performances, I believe that in future also we will be number one around the world anytime. Thank you. Okay, next I will try to sing one song for you guys. After seeing all these patriotic performances, now I wanted to sing one song. After seeing different people from different places, I wanted to sing one friendship song. Anybody guesses which song it will be? Mustafa. It's about a friendship.
Mustafa.
Okay, this song is there in all three languages, South languages. It's a movie song. I will tell that which is that. It is a movie from Nadodigal, Tamil.
Oh.
Okay, and in Kannada it is called Hudugaru. Now anybody guess the song? What is it?
Shambho.
In Telugu it is a Shambho Shiva Shambho movie. You get it, the song?
Yeah.
Item song? No, madam. Title song. Excellent. That's the one. Thank you. Yes, guys. You can sing along with me. ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ರುದ್ರನ ಮೂರನೇ ಕಣ್ಣಲು ಬಿಡಲಿ ತಾಂಡವ ನಾಟ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಳಯವೇ ಬರಲಿ ಗಂಗೆಯ ಜಟೆಯ ಸುಮತಿ ಬರಲಿ ಎದುರು ನಿಂತಿರುವ ನರ ನರದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಿಂಚುಗಳಿರಲಿ ದಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಕದಲಿಸ ತೋಳ್ಬಲಸಿರಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿರಲಿ ಗೆಲುವು ನಿನಗಿರಲಿ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕುಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹುಡುಗರು ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ఉగ్రం రౌద్రం అవుతుందేంటి మంచే అగ్నిగా మరిగిందేంటి ప్రేమకు గ్రహణం పడుతుందేంటి మధులే రాదేంటి దిక్కుల దిశలే మారాయేంటి తొడమట దూరడు పొడిచాడేంటి గుండెల్లో ఈ గుణపాదేంటి అసలు కథ ఏంటి శంభో శివ శంభో శివ శివ శంభో శంభో శివ శంభో శివ శివ శంభో அழுகின்ற நேரம் கூட நெற்கொண்டு நீங்கிடாது தோல்வியே என்றும் இல்லை பயமே இல்லை வெற்றியே ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು. ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ. ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡ ಜಗಡ ಜಗ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಗಡಂ ದಂ ಜಗಡಂ ಜಗಡಂ ದಂ. ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ ಶಿವ ಶಿವ ಶಂಭೋ. Thank you. I hope everyone liked the song.
It was a fantastic